you should ask them. There's a good chance that if you talk to your kiddos, talk to your spouse, and they don't feel good about how things are going in their family and the dynamics of the family, that's a pretty good indicator that you could use some family counseling. I would think about the stress level within your home. Is your home a peaceful place to be? Do you look forward to spending time around your kids and around your spouse? Do your kids look forward to spending time and being around the house? Do you have perhaps feedback from friends or family members who care about you that express concern about the tensions or conflicts in the atmosphere of your home? Those are all really good indicators that you should not ignore, but instead get curious about and invite in somebody who's an objective third party and has some professional training in this space and knows how to facilitate dialogue and conversation within your family that can help you get down to the root of those issues and can work with you to form a plan for how things can be different. So, how do you know if you need counseling? That's how you know.